Hello friends, so we are going to draw a car today. So let's start. Make a circle, then make another circle at some distance. Now make small circle. Now make a small sleeping like this and then half curve. Do the same thing on the another circle. Now draw a sleeping line here. Now make a rectangle. Then make another rectangle on the other end. Now make a half curve and end it here on the top of second wheel. Yeah, now join it like this. Two sleeping lines. She is copying me. Rightly, little bit different. So what are you waiting for? Copy with me. Take your pen and paper and play the video again and copy it. So now we are going to color it. Fast, 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 fast. Yes, yes, you can also do it. Come on, come on, come on. So now my car is almost completed and Misha, she is also doing because she is copying me and she is learning. Are you also learning? Oh, I made eyes and nose and mouth to her car. It's looking so good. So now see our car. Whose car is best? Comment and tell. So now the another thing we are going to draw a train. Make two circles join to each other. Then make another circle in between. Do like this. Then draw a sleeping line and one more circle. Then one oval. And one more circle in between. Now just draw like this and like this. So one sleeping line, then another curve. How she is doing? She's trying at least, okay? You can also try. Yes, so our train is going to complete soon. What are you doing? Are you able to do? You can do it. Just play it again and again and copy it. And you will also learn the steps. So our train is going to run soon. Yes, yes, now it's ready. So now we are going to color it. Which color? Guess, 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 guess. Okay, I have taken little bit brownish orange and she has taken pure orange. So our train is now being colorful. Do you like colorful things? Yes, I also like colorful things.
Amazing!
So if you want to learn drawing with fun, just follow us. And if you want to entertain yourself with this art, follow us and subscribe us and like us and comment. So bye guys, मिलते हैं next video में.